I don't want you to worry about anything, darling. Well, where's Roman, Godmother? I know you brought him. Where is he? Oh, darling, don't you stop worrying about Roman, darling. Listen, he's off to boarding school, by the way. Him and Slim Shady. What? So we're wreaking havoc over the industry, darling. Oh, Roman. Never mind. It's all about you, isn't it, darling? I love you. I know, Nikki. Just have your moment for love. Oh, and Nikki. Yes, Godmother? Pause. What? It's Martha. What? It's Martha. You are crazy, Godmother. I love you. Bitch.
On this live, kind of nervous. Hi guys. Fly with the stars in the skies.
I am no longer trying to survive.
I believe that life.
To live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire. It's my empire. And yes, I call the shots. I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon a vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We, Young Money raised me. Grew up out in Paisley, Southside Jamaica, Queens, and it's crazy. Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't faze me. Ain't being cocky, we just vindicated. Best believe that when we done this moment, we'll be syndicated. I don't know, this night just remind me of everything they deprived me of. Put your drinks up. It's a celebration every time we link up. We done did everything they could think of. Greatness is what we on the brink of. That I could have this moment.
I should have written that thing. You could see. I don't own copyrights to this song or to this music, but I didn't, and I just went on, and now I'm live. Oh my god, I'm screaming. My lips are so dry. Likes can attract viewers. Keep it up. My lips are so dry, and my lip gloss or my Vaseline is so far. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Today's Wednesday. How are you guys doing on this lovely Wednesday evening? It's like 7:15, so it's evening. Ninja and guys, like, I am tired. I'm from work and like I'm beat. I wish I was a stay-at-home babe who just does shopping the whole day and all of those things, and no stress about like waking up early and going to work and stuff like that. But I'm grateful for the fact that today is 2 days before payday. Yay. Sanele, you're getting paid. Siphi imali ke ngoba wena uzobe uholile. Give us money. But I'm also just so grateful that I work, because South Africa has a high unemployment rate. So that's also scary. I have absolutely nothing to say kule live lena. When Nicki Minaj was Nicki, is she not Nicki Minaj anymore? Like, guys, people can't remain the same. Like, I'm also very gutted that her music changed. Trust me. I'm gutted that her music changed, but like, she has to like evolve, and I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. Like, she has to evolve. She has to sort of tie in with the current trends, and that might not look good to us as her followers or as her fans or whatever we are, but she needs to get with the times.
Yeah, be very afraid. These other rappers getting bodied and carried away. Get me and Nicki getting married today. And now you that be hating can catch a bouquet. Ooh, yeah, you a star in my eyes. You and all them white girls, party of five.
I think sometimes we just have to embrace artists and how they grow, and they might not be the kind of people or the artists that we initially loved, but we love them for who they were, and that's why we still love Nicki, and like we love her still because of the way that she was and who she was and how she started, and we're growing and evolving with her, and there's nothing wrong with that. These people have critics, and there are people that advise them, oh, it's okay, maybe try this, try doing this, try, because I think it would be frustrating as an artist to stay the same, because then it feels like you're not growing. Guys, how do you guys gift people? Like, I didn't gift them, man. I want to be like, oh, thank you so much for the hat. Oh, thank you so much for the heart. Oh, thank you so much for the cowgirl. Oh, you guys are not gifting me because I've never gifted and they have things. Can I live for more? Can I gifts, Linda? And I know it's good thing as bad, like, but ngiyazikupa. Like, I ain't a forced time or something. Ngiyazikupa. Ngiyazikupa. Like, kupa the gifts, hle. Kupa the gifts.
Why settle when you can have the best? ClickUp is not just another tool. It's the #1 choice for teams who want to get more done. Rated #1 in multiple G2 categories and trusted by 7.
I honestly don't think it's the artist's fault. Like I said, like, these people have a creative team and decide, oh, I'm gonna release. Yes, she has control over everything, but like she mostly has to listen to, even people say a lot, you know how people are on social media, people talk a lot of shit. So if you keep on making the same type of music, essentially people are gonna get bored. But little do they know that sometimes that's the kind of music we want. Beguta Mia, she has how many albums? But those albums have so much weight. They'll never be old. Like, even now, she's touring with the same 3 albums, if I'm not mistaken. There's power in... There's just power in sticking to one thing and perfecting it and not changing it. And unfortunately, rap is not the same as R&B, so maybe that's why she felt the pressure to be so versatile. Tamia never switched up, but then she only has, what, 3 albums? Let me see. She doesn't have a lot of albums, so that's my other issue, Uguti. If you don't evolve, you're going to be redundant. Basically, you're just going to be doing the same thing, but in a different way, and there's only so much you can do, yabo. So, oh, my bad, she doesn't have 3 albums. She's got a lot. But like, we don't know Lawamanya. Well, I'm not a Tamia fan like that. I have like maybe 3 or 4 albums that I love. And mina ke when I love something, ngizoyomelela leyo nto leyo. Like, if it's not broken, let's not fix it. Let's just leave it, because like, why are you trying to fix something that's not broken? Guys, to be honest, my skin is my skin is showing off. At this point, my skin is showing off, Sana, because there's just no way. Like, come on. I don't even like. I use Portia M on my skin, like the face wash. You guys don't go through my videos, because if you go through my videos, you'd know. Like, I always say this over and over again, that I use Portia M. I use Portia M over and over. Ooh, sengu Portia M ningbona. Portia M needs to start paying me. But not to brag.
Acid has larger particles.
Not to brag, I honestly have good skin, guys. Like, I'm not saying this to brag, but I'm also saying this to shed some light that if you do decide to use Portia M, I don't know how that's gonna look like for you, because I didn't use Portia M because I had skin problems. I just used Portia M because my sister Uzama used Portia M, and I was like, girl, your skin looks like water. It's like butter. So I started using Portia M just to enhance my natural glow. And like, it didn't do a lot, but like, it's helping in a way. All the best with your braces, Jenny. We got it inside. Why did I get tongue twisted? Like, and I still got love in my soul. Feels like the first time we met. Then I kissed and I told you I loved you. We still, run around like this. It's a pleasure. Guys, do you guys experience? Thank you, guys. Get a gift, like original shop. I get the squads. Ha. Can you imagine lavanda bacho na malava sola my gift? Mnanga sola my gift. You guys are busy saying that I look good, but I'm my gift. I am, but I'm responding to your comments. You asked me to play still. Am I not playing still? I am. I'm trying to like respond. It's like I'm having a conversation, right? But my conversation stems from answering your questions. I couldn't enter Miss Essay because I'm over the age. Like, it's so sad because it's sad because I wanted to enter for the longest time. Hello, hi, Oba King. But I don't talk to people, so like I'm trying to be actively involved, even though I was answering the questions. So I've been wanting, but you know, they had the whole thing. You would see. They don't want people with kids, etc., etc., etc. So at that time, I have a whole 2 kids. So are you and little sis fine now? Guys, me and my sister are always going to be fine because we're siblings, yeah. We just have ups and downs like any other normal relationship, you know. Because I love my sister so much, so I'm at times very, very hard on her. But like, that's because I want only the best for her and stuff like that. So I'm very hard on her sometimes, but I also realize that there's a 10-year gap between me and my sister. So it's a hard one because I'm like a mini parent. I'm sort of like her parent, but I'm not her parent. I'm saying but I also sometimes I feel like I am because she's my sister. You know what I mean? So our relationship has its ups and downs naturally, like any other relationship. So we'll always be good. Like even if we fight, we'll always be good because we're blood. Like that's my blood sister, and I love her and she loves me, and that's all that matters. But thank you for asking. We good. I am a DJ, guys, but like life is so hard, man. I am a DJ, but I have a lot of things that I'm doing in my life, so it's time consuming. I don't know if you guys noticed that I took a break from a lot of things this year because of just finding a balance. I want to slow down and find balance because time's not on my side. I'm getting old and like there's still so many things I want to do, so you can ask me a personal question. Yo, why am I so loud? Am I loud? I feel like I'm so loud right now. I'm 32 years old. That's not a secret. I'm always so outspoken, or like I'm 32 years old. I've got 2 kids. Oh, Kamakelo, I'm sorry, my love. I don't have my CDJs. I don't have my controllers with me. Yo, I said CDJs. I take it back. I don't have CDJs. I have controllers. I don't have my controllers here. You know when I do this, I'm trying to show you guys my nails, and nobody has commented on my nails. That time I'm doing this because I'm just like, I'm so demure. Like, my nails are so demure. Like, you guys are not even saying anything. Like, that's just like... That's so rude. Anyways, I would love to DJ for you, but I don't have... my CDJs. Who wanted to ask me a question? Ooh, love is love a scam or what? What is love? I wanted to I would have loved to play, but my controllers are not here, so yeah. I'm feeling zima, guys, yo. But DJing is something that's definitely in the books for me, and it's something that you guys definitely will be seeing me doing more of that. I don't know if you guys have noticed, even if I have to say so myself, I'm a creative, so as much as I am in the corporate space, I'm someone who is also on the creative side. I love singing, I love dancing, I love entertaining. Entertainment thing, switch a script. This thing is coming out and it's so annoying. I tried to put Lulan. Okay, I'll ignore it because it's annoying me. Oh, who's your aunt? Who is your auntie? I'm from Pietermaritzburg, and that's in KZN. It's a city in KZN. It's just before Durban or right after Durban. Depends on where you're coming from. Most of Goli, it's before Durban. Oh, honey. Ngiyabonga, Han. Han, thank you, Han. I personally am afraid of those nails since Borai. Oh, what are you trying to say about my nails? My nails are so demure. Like, it's giving. Angwazi ukras, like angwazi ukukhulumela phezulu, like it's giving. No, baby, it's fine. My nails are demure. What are you saying? Hey guys, it's time I go and watch my K-drama. Yes, I'm from Pietermaritzburg. I was born and bred in Pietermaritzburg. That's where I come from. I was raised there, and yeah, I would love my kids. Yazi ngingajabulana if my kids were to grow up in KZN, to be honest with you. I give my all to him. Just wanna live with you. I'd risk my life to be your body next to mine, 'cause I can't go on living in the memory of a song. I give my all. Ow, Somandla, man. Somandla. Hey, girl. Hi, Sma. Is it Melanie? Oh, guys, I hate mispronouncing people's names. Just one more night with you to be up. Guys, what is your take? Ish. Ow, wangibiza ngegama lami. Ulazi laphi igama lami? Wazi ngani ukuthi nguBeyonce? Wazi laphi ukuthi nguBeyonce, like utshela ubani lezo indaba ezinkulu kangaka? I love the skin color. What do you mean? My skin color, like what do you mean? Okay, thank you. I think that's a compliment. I don't know, is it? But Somandla, awuke sikhulume ngale ndaba yakho, sike silidikide lo daba ukuthi uqonda ukuthini. I just have like my person has to understand that I'm crazy, and that's my biggest fear, because I can act like a normal person, but when my true colors come out, mina ngiyimina one of one oyimina ngedwa le celeni. This thing is annoying me so much. Fuck. Hello, beautiful. Ngisacela ukuba indoda yakho yazo, babe. Inkinga yami sengivele ngangalona uthi ngithule. Isizulu asitolikwa, impela asitolikwa isizulu. Manje ngicela ke ukuthi ube serious ngale ngane. somandla isithombe sakho i-profile picture yakho why une-profile picture nje? There's only labantu abasho lezi zinto lezi ukuthi okay kwasha kanjani kanjani. Thank you, my love. I hope it's not people in relationships, because that's just disrespectful. Like, you cannot say uthanda omunye umuntu, or even if it's a joke nje, or with relationship. So I want to share. Tell me how much you care. Yo, angisakhaleli leli voice la Maria ngihle nje ngiyambheka ngithi ngiyasaba wala that voice. It's the last days, my sister. Forever Lover Girl Kesana in Dim Low. Guys, it's been good. You know, every day I watch the series and I'm like, okay, today I'm just gonna watch one episode and that's it. Buzani ukuthi ngilala ngasikhatsini ngibona seku-12 how sifika kanjani ku-12 AM. My endless love. It's K-drama. Angazi kulabantu laba bathi ba interested kumina ke ukuthi sizoyimisana nendaba, because mina nginomuntu ongithandayo. Inkingi leyo ukuthi nginomuntu ongithandayo. Ngibona equation le ayisahlangani. And mina ngiwumuntu oneqiniso, angithandi ukuqamba manga and angithandi ukustring abantu along. Yabo. But nothing. I just want to say, ukuthi nginomuntu ongithandayo. Guys, I want to know how to sing. Like, ngifuna umuntu angithengele voice. Voice ukuthi ngikwazi ukucula. It's a K-drama. The name of the series, I've watched quite a few, but the one that I'm watching right now is called Romance is a Bonus Book. Inkinga la drama lawa I know are cheesy. They're very cheesy. These la series lawa are cheesy. I can sing, but I wanna sing you know, I want to sing when I sing about, but an out of body experience. Like, I don't want to be able to just hold a note. I can hold a note, but I want to go to when I sing for people to get chills.
So much better than him. And if I was saved,
there be no
competition.
but I'm in love
Love.
with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, hey, I'm in love with another man, and I know it ain't right.
Yo, my end is on all and my lips are dry. I hope you guys forgive me, but like I'm so lazy to get out of bed and get my lip stuff.
You should go and
So when I
find
do lick my
someone
lips, please don't
who can treat
look at
you
it with like a side eye, and
give you the world. Someone who understands the man
excuse me.
you are. 'Cause baby, you shine so bright, and I would just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women.
Indaba baphesheya because ucula kangaka, like okay, that's a stupid question because they actually go to like art school.
I'm in
Mm.
love with someone
Someone.
else. I'm so sorry, baby. I know I ain't right. No, 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 no. But what I did to you, baby. Oh, yeah. I can't explain why it's him and not you. At the end of the day, baby, I just don't want to. 'Cause she ain't no doctor, nah. And we always seem to fight. He got the perfect body. And sometimes he don't even treat me right. Oh, but when I'm with him, but when I'm with him, hey, when I'm with him, ain't nobody else like it. Oh, and I'm so sorry, baby.
Okay, guys, it was lovely, but I honestly have to go now because I have so many things to do. But this was nice. Next time, Zobengi on the decks. I wish that God had made me like a demure girl, like give a demure, like give a demure girl, but I'm not demure. I mean, I'm here. Yes, Kumela, and I'm loud and I laugh out loud, and that's just who I am. And nginale ukuthi ngine potential yokuvula ne-cycle yokudansa. So hey, ngiyabona nje. Okay guys, I hope you do enjoy the rest of your day. Nkulunkulu anibusise.
Believe me, and I know that I should.